Look at worksheet 3, unit 1 till lesson 4 from الباهر book. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. 879 over 1000 or 8.79. We can write this number 8, 7 and 9 and the point after 3 digits here. Then 8 greater than 0, then this number will be greater than this number. 8.79 hundredth, or we can call it 8.779, 8.79. Okay, then this number, it will be greater than, because 8 greater than 0, 8 lies in the ones, 0 lies in the ones, 8 greater than 0. The smallest number of the following, here we have 919, 991, 919, 991. We must combine between 919.19 and 919.009. You want to find the smallest number, it will be 919.009. This is the smallest number, okay? 3000, it's a comma, okay? 3470, 3457 tenths. It's meaning this number divided by 10. It will be 3457 divided by 10. It will be, right, 3457 and the point after 1 digits. 345 greater than 34. Then this number is greater than. Understood? Question 4. 6 plus 0.7 plus 0.007. We can write 6.7 in teens, 7 in thousandth, but hundredths here 0. Here 6.7 and 6.0, this number is greater than. Okay, the greatest number of the following here, you want to find the greatest number here. 20, 20, 20, 20, 29, 20.011, 20.10. We can combine, put 0 here behind this number. Then 20.9 is the greatest number here. Okay, you must combine between all numbers here equality. 20.9, 20.0, 20.0, 20.1, then 20.9 is greater than. So we must write 20.9 is the greatest number of all numbers here. Question number 2. Number 1, number of hundredths in 3.5 is. The number of hundredths, where here? Can you tell me the number divided by 100 equals this number? Okay, thinking with me here, you want to find the number divided by 100 equals 3.5. To find this number, you must multiplication 3.5 by 100. To find this number here, the dividend. You want to find the dividend. To find the dividend, multiplication the divisor by the quotient. 3.5 times 100, we must move the point to right hand side by 1 digit. Here, behind this number and write 0. Okay, 3.5 multiplication by 100. Moved the point to right hand side by 2 digits. It will be 3, 5 and 0. It will be 350. Then the number 350 divided by 100 equals 3.5. Okay, when the teacher asked you about the number or number of hundreds in kaza, in 3.9, on 3.5 or a number, you must multiplication this number 100 by 3.5 to find the value. Okay, it's very important, this question, very important, thinking about it. Multiplication 100 by 3.5. Okay, you must move the point to right hand side by 2 digits here, because you multiplication by 100. Then the point must go to right hand side by 2 digits. Question number 2. If 6.81 greater than 6.8 space, then the digit in the space equal what? We must write here 0. We must write it 0 here, because 6.81 greater than 6.80. We can write 0 in the space. The smallest decimal that can be formed of 1 2.53 is. You want to find the smallest. The smallest number we can write what? 0. You want to find the smallest decimal. We can write 0.135. Write the least number here. 135. It will be 0.135. 155,000th. 0.534 equals space divided by 1,000ths. You want to find here the dividend. To find the dividend, the multiplication, the divisor by the quotient. 0.534 times 1,000ths. You must move the point to right hand side by 3 digits. It will be 5 and 3 and 4. It will be 534. Understood? 534 divided by 1,000, it will be 0.534. 42 plus 0.1 plus 0.3 plus 0.004. Write 42 here in the whole number and write point. 1 in teens, 3 in teens, 3 plus 1 equal 4. And 4 in thousandths. But we haven't digits in hundredths. Put 0 and write 8 in thousandths. Question 3. Read then solve. Order from least to greatest. We have here 6 and 6 and 6 and 6. 136 thousandths. 157 thousandths. 150 thousandths. 15 thousandths. It's number 1. We want to find what? The least to greatest. We can write 6.01 and 5. And the next number will be what? 6 and 136 thousandths. Write point 1, 3 and 6. And 6.157 or 6.150. Write this number 6.150 and 6.157. Question number 2. Hamdi has a piece of rope with length 2.256 meter. How many pieces of rope with a length of 2.257 meter who has longer rope? We must compare between two numbers. But less than or more than, which greater? This number greater than. Then Hani become the longer. We can write here Hani. Who has a longer rope? Hani. Because this number is greater than. He must find the longer. 2.257 is greater than 2.25 and 6.